The 100, a ranking of the most influential persons in history by Michael H. Hart. This book is a collection of biographies of highly influential people throughout history. My choice of Muhammad to lead the best of the world's most influential persons may surprise some readers and may be questioned by others. But he was the only man in history who was supremely successful on both the religious and secular levels. Of humble origins, Muhammad founded and promulgated one of the world's great religions and became an immensely effective political leader. Today, 13 centuries after his death, his influence is still powerful and pervasive. The majority of the persons in this book had the advantage of being born and raised in centers of civilization, highly cultured or political pivotal nations. Muhammad, however, was born in the year 570 in the city of Mecca in southern Arabia, at that time a backwards area of the world, far from the center of trade, art and learning. Orphanage at the age of 6. He was reared in modest surroundings. When Muhammad died in 632, he was the effective ruler of southern Arabia. About the rapid spread of Islam which continued after the demise of Muhammad, Michael Hart writes that the lands that accepted Islam included the northeast of Arabia, the larger New Persian Empire of Sassanids, to the northwest, Byzantine or Eastern Roman Empire, centered in Constantinople, all of Mesopotamia, Syria and Palestine. By 711, North Africa to the Atlantic Ocean. Then the Visigoth of Kingdom of Spain, stretching from the borders of India to the Atlantic Ocean, the largest empire that the world had yet seen. Furthermore, Muhammad, unlike Jesus, was a secular as well as a religious leader. In fact, as the driving force behind the Arab conquest, he may well rank as the most influential political leader of all time. He also believed that Muhammad's role in the development of Islam was far more influential than Jesus' collaboration in the development of Christianity. He attributes the development of Christianity to St. Paul, who played a pivotal role in its dissemination. Isaac Newton ranked as number 2. He was the scientist. Jesus of Nazareth ranked as number 3. He was the spiritual leader. Buddha ranked number 4. He was the philosopher, spiritual teacher from ancient India, founder of Buddhism. Number 5 was Confucius. He was the Chinese thinker and social philosopher, founder of Confucianism, whose teachings and philosophy have deeply influenced Chinese, Korean, Japanese, Vietnamese, and Indonesian thought and life. Number 6, Paul. He was one of the most notable of early Christian missionaries, credited with spreading Christianity outside of Palestine, mainly to the Romans, and author of numerous letters of the New Testament of the Bible. Number 7 was Kai Lun. He was the inventor, widely regarded as the inventor of paper and the paper making process. Number 8, Gutenberg. He was the inventor German printer who invented the European mechanical printing press. Number 9, Christopher Columbus, he was the explorer. Number 10, Albert Einstein, he was the scientist. He was the German-born physicist, best known for his relativity theory and especially E is equal to mc square.